She's looking fucking spectacular. Just had like the biggest brain fart. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. I'm driving the Land Rover, it's working, and I'm going to pick up my Bmw E30. And that's been broken for a very long time. Because it's been broken for a very long time, I've actually forgotten what my E30 even looked like. That's how long it's been. But shout out to the guy who fixed it, because he found the problem and it was not easy, I can guarantee you that. So what we're gonna do, hop in a Land Rover, go to my pal's house to get the trailer. Once we get the trailer, go to the garage, get the car, come back to mine, and home sweet home for the E30. It's gonna be dusty, it's gonna definitely need a clean, but I've got some exciting parts to go on. Show you what we're actually gonna put on the car. Come on, I'm just excited. Let's just get the car, let's go. She is back. I've actually forgotten how small this car actually is.
Oh, yeah. George's E46 on it the other day. It's like it took up most of the trailer.
Really?
Yeah, we had to put the ramps in the boot of his car.
Oh shit. She's still clean, got my invoice. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It is. Whoa. Yeah. There you go. Maybe that one goes up a bit. But
Yeah. Hang on, let me get the wraps in.
there you go.
That there?
Yeah, that's good there. There we go. The car is coming home today. See, all done, finished. Right, I've got to move the girlfriend's car or get the trailer in. This is the issue, we have hardly any space on our road for like a trailer. So, if I got to move the whole space. Right, okay, so basically the E30 is back, fixed and going better than ever, as you can see. First thing I've done straight away when I got back was get all my cleaning stuff out. All there. Obviously I need to do up my window and stuff, but I still need to put all these back things in there, like the seats and that. This stuff's out. E30 is back, driving fine. Also, one thing to show you, and I'm excited about this. I've got air ride, baby. Airlift Performance, big up to them. These are XLO airbags and struts. These are actually pretty sick, to be fair, good quality. And I have my B6 Alpina front bumper to go on, and my interior, obviously. All that needs to go back on. But first thing first is get that clean. Let's go. she's clean. Obviously, because it was in a workshop, it's going to be dusty, so I had to give it a good clean. So the plans for it in here, the main thing anyway, is focus on the front bumper and the stuff I've already got, which is air ride, front bumper, and my interior to go in. So I think that's the plan. As you can see. First things first is getting everything back in here. Make it look like an actual car again. Quick little update. What I'm doing is sorting out the front bumper because I'm waiting for the rear parcel shelf to dry before I put the rear seats in. As you can see. She's on. After all that cutting and burning myself, it's finally on. Obviously I ain't got the front actual bumper on yet, but let me go stick that on quick, hang on. Okay, it's not on there perfect, but it's a test, just to see what she'll look like. Oh my. Oh my. That is a lot better. Sweating. It's not even finished. Come on, this way, in. Got to go in, mate. You can get run over. Go on, good boy. Stay there. Sorry. Anyway, my front bumper is on. It's not fully bolted on, but it's on for the looks, just so I can see what it looks like. After all the cutting, she's looking fucking spectacular. But the only thing is, I think I need to use side skirts now because that looks so aggressive at the front. And I think I need side skirts. So you can guys let me know in the comments of what good side skirts I need. Knackered. Right, now the bumper's fitted, I can crack on the parcel shelf. This is a very small car if you don't realise. If you don't actually own an E30, it is actually a really, really small car. And it's hot. So I'll get these on, seat belts and stuff. So let's go. Right, I forgot these. These just go in the back of here. Totally forgot about it, I almost put it all in. Ow. This is extremely uncomfortable. Oh, if you have an E30, you will understand. If you don't, and you're wanting to get one, just be prepared for how uncomfortable it is to work on it. In the back especially. There we go, they're all in. All clips in nicely. Oh, that was in. There we go. Good. Oh. Oh, this is a struggle. Just had like the biggest brain fart I could ever possibly have, like fitting the rear parcel shelf. If any of you's fitted one of these on an E30, right? Telling you now, these things where the seat belts come in and out of are the most painful things I've ever done, ever. There's a certain way around that you have to do it. And if anyone has experienced that, just let me know, because the worst thing I've ever done. Now tell me that's not the coolest thing an E30 has to offer. Rear parcel shelf blind. It's the little things that you need. Love it. Already got a fucking fly in here. Speakers complete. They're on. Now I can actually put the rear back seats in back, and then it'll actually look like a car. Actually no, I've got to tighten these down here. Seat belts, safety first. So hot, honestly, but I didn't record it. I just cracked on, but they're in. And then that should be the back of the car done. Let's get that in. This is fucking... Oh, the car is so small to work in. Honestly, like everything is so... But I'm just so hot. I see I'm struggling in this little sweatbox. I need to move this seat forward. There we go. Boom. Yes, it's on. I need a wipe down, but you know, it's been sat for a while. Boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can proper. There we go. Oh my god. You wouldn't think rear seats are that hard. It's back. So basically today, got the car back, give it a wash, rear parcel shelf, rear seats back in, front bumper, which was a fucking nightmare, but success. That is on. Next, it would be the air ride that needs to sort in. We need to put that on. So, little walk around of the video, and then I think that will be it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one.